Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. So Tesla has been moving way higher, okay? Had a nice big breakout as we predicted would happen way back here. We said, okay, we're going to break out of this mess and we're heading to $900 and it exceeded my expectations. Back here was a $900 high and I was like, if we break through that, there is no stopping Tesla. We could go to $1,500, although it might be overblown in the short term. It's really good for the long term. You can see here on the moving averages, it's way above. It's pulled away from the 200-day for sure. It's also pulled away from the 20-day, so it's blowing up. It could move higher this week. Momentum is in his favor for sure. I did sell some back here. It was around $1,000, just over $1,000. I sold it right around this range. I saw some inactivity, and I saw it might slip a little, so I put a trailing stop order in. Trailing stop went up, fluctuated slightly, and then it finally did execute. So I sold some of the stock at this point. So I think it is kind of overblown at this point. I think if it would be closer to the 20-day moving average, it would be better. But we'll see how things go this week. Down here also is a buy indication with the MACD. You can see there is an increase of trading volume and an increase in market momentum for the MACD. It's pretty awesome. They're loving this stock. And you can see here, there's been a couple little dips in the stochastic, and that was making me nervous a little bit. So I did put that trailing stop order in. I thought it might dip, and it did dip, but then it recovered and blew through the next high. So my strategy going forward is I'm going to sell another cash covered put. These cash covered puts are getting very pricey at this level. At $1,115 a cash covered put, you need about $115,000 of capital, and that is a lot for the amount of capital in my account. So it's going to be really hard for me to trade these puts and calls going forward. So I'm going to have to find another stock, favorite stock to do that on. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. Probably going to go with Coinbase or one of those stocks that still has good premium attached to it. Tesla has a lot of good premium in it. That's why I like to trade it a lot with the puts and the calls to generate income in my account. But it's a little too much risk, a little too much price capital requirement for where I'm at. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. I think Tesla's going to go higher, obviously. I think it might pull back here at some point in the next few weeks and get more in line with these averages. Once it does, that's when probably I'm going to be looking to acquire more before it takes off to the next moonshot, if it doesn't already just go straight to $1,500. If it does, I hope they do a stock split soon, so it becomes more affordable for everybody and people continue to acquire it. Hedge funds and stuff won't have a problem, but little investors like myself will. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure you guys subscribe, and thanks for watching.